Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to remove status from WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the WhatsApp on your mobile and tap on the icon to launch it. Once the WhatsApp is open up on the screen, go to the status page by tapping on the status. Here, tap on the status to open it. Now tap on the status that you want to remove. Let's say I uploaded this video. Let's say I uploaded this photo by mistake and now I want to remove it. So what I need to do is go back to the status section and then tap on the three vertical dots next to the status icon. From the drop down menu, select the last option, which is delete. You will be asked to confirm the deletion of status update. Confirm this action by tapping on delete. And that's it. You can see that the status has been successfully removed from the WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.